Look at that. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? Hopefully you enjoyed the last video of me and Sky shooting bow right here with his little bow. We are at Moten Gun Range and we're shooting the 3D range right now for the archery, which there is no distances. We don't know the distance. We just shot this one here, which was between 30 and probably about 30 yards. So that was about 30 yards. I shot at 40, shot a little high. He shot at 30, shot next to it.
Completely missed.
Yeah, completely missed, hit there, but he would have been centered if he was a little off to the left there a little bit. So he's doing good. We're going to continue basically just walking down the trail here and seeing what we can see and shooting at what we can shoot and just making a fun little video again of me and Sky, or Sky and I out here doing a little archery. So it's gonna be a nice enjoyable video of walking through the woods at the gun range and shooting some unknown distance targets. I don't have a rangefinder, which I wish I did. Wish I did have a rangefinder, but I don't have one. But we're just gonna walk through here and see what it looks like. It's a beautiful day out today too. Beautiful freaking day. The trail's really nice. It's not all muddy or anything.
It's nice and like caged out.
It's always fun to like switch it up a little bit and do these cool videos that don't have anything to do with working on cars. Sometimes working on cars is fun, and showing videos of that is fun, but sometimes it's nice just to relax on a weekend and do stuff like this. Right down there's their gun range, their rifle range. They got a BB range, they have a pistol range. It's very nice. Very quiet here too. There's hardly anybody ever here. I've been here twice now. This is my second time here after becoming a member, and there's like nothing. Nobody's ever here. There's 2 trucks down there doing rifle, and that's about it.
How far are you headed?
That's probably 30 yards. So this is number 2 target right here. That's going to be a 30 yarder. We'll see if Sky can hit her with 30 yards. Might be 35. Oh, a little low. Little low. What are you aiming? 30 yard line?
30 yard line is what I was aiming, like what I was doing.
Okay. I'll set mine to 30 here, and we're going to see what we got.
Move over here a little bit.
Woo! Whew. That's a dead dare. Oh, yo, check that out.
I was 25.
Yo, what was that? Dude, check that out.
Okay.
Oh no, I gotta fix my sleeve.
Which one you going for first? The deer?
For that one there.
I had a nice shot on that. That's a dead deer.
So what was that, 20 you said?
Yeah. Imagine having to adjust your scope.
Ooh.
Dude, nice shot.
That's a dead deer.
That is an even deader deer.
It is.
That one was, I think,
30.
No, this one down here was only like. Oh, you're going for that one.
I'm going for 30. I'm just gonna work my way over.
Okay. Dang.
Dead deer.
It's another dead deer.
It's a dead deer.
Well, now you're going for the 50 or 40. I'm gonna say that's 40.
That's probably about 45.
Watch you just shoot, like totally miss it.
Nah, that's like 45. That's not 50. No, that's 40. That's gonna be 40. That's gonna be 40.
I might have to go for that. If you hit it at 40, I might go for it.
I know I'm gonna hit it at 40.
Dang.
You want me to do 10 too?
Yeah. I'm gonna go for 40 then. I shot that one, right? Yeah, I shot the 10.
Yeah, you shot the 10.
I hit it dead center.
So that's definitely 40. I'm a little high, but it's definitely 40. Oh, I better not put this on 40. I better put this down to...
Whew.
Back down to 20.
Yeah.
That would have been bad.
You'll hit the metal on top, break another arrow.
Yeah.
Dang.
So if a deer's right there, that's... So if a deer's right there, that's dead on, buddy.
It's dead, yeah.
You going for 40?
I'll go for 40.
Well, you know it's 40, so...
If I can get the arrow in here, my God. There you go.
Okay, he's going for 40, guys. 4th pin, remember. He's going for the 40. Look at him go.
Little high, but I mean,
little high, but you did it. You did it. Oh, look, me and you are like dead center there, buddy.
20, right?
That's pretty good.
It's just 20, I think.
That's 10.
10?
That's 10
Right,
yards.
dead center.
That's 10 yards, bud.
I don't think I killed it.
Now you shot it in this. You shot it in the arm. It's just limping right now.
I would have got another shot. You would have got the shot. Though.
Yeah, I would have. That would have been a dead deer for me. You just shot it in the shoulder. It's pissed. It's just very angry right now.
Yeah, very not happy.
Here's our 30-yard shot, guys.
Yeah, I hit my corner. I did.
You're supposed to technically hit right here, which is where I hit. It's all beat up in there. That's not bad. You shot in his butt. It's pooping right now. It's not having a good day.
Pooping out arrows.
Yeah. Then we're gonna go see his 40-yard shot here.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah, he still hit target though. He still hit target. I wouldn't complain. I mean, it's not anything crazy, but for you to shoot 40 yards is not bad.
It's like my arm.
Yeah, for you to shoot 40 yards, that's not bad. It might be a miss, but it's not a bad shot. Low, low.
Here we go.
30-yard line. Little high. Little high, but still a good shot.
Almost split.
So that was like 25. That had to have been 25 yards to shoot that high. So that had been 25 yards. But we literally, me and this guy just shot side by side. No joke, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's freaking hilarious. That's funny. That is funny. There's other tree climber over there.
Tree stand.
Trying to have a tree stand way over in the distance. So this is a pretty big trail here, guys. I'm actually pretty stoked about this trail here at Moten Gun Range, Moten Fish and Game. This is badass, not gonna lie. Yeah, this was shot number 8.
We don't know how many.
So we don't know how many there is, but there's 8 so far. Yeah, number 9 is probably 20 yards, honestly. Oh, was that 20?
You wanna move over there?
What's that?
You wanna move over where I was?
I'm gonna move over there, Dad. Calm down. I'm getting there, father, son.
Father, son.
Getting there. I'm gonna take your arrow out. That's the name of the game. The name of the game now is take Skylar's arrows out.
Destroy the arrows.
Destroy Skylar's arrows. That's the name of the game.
Ooh.
Look at that. Look at that. Dude, that's Titty City right there, buddy. That's Titty City. All right, guys. Now we're going back to another tree stand that's up in the air here. Or tree platform or whatever they want to call it. This is 10 and 11, Sky says. And then there's one way out of field over there, which might be 50.
Oh my God.
What? Let's see.
There's a target straight out here and a target right over there.
Oh, I see it. Okay. Okay, so that's definitely 50.
That's 50.
That's about 45, 50. You want to try for that one over there?
Light up knock.
Use a light up knock. Are you going to go for 50 for that guy? Remember, 50 is between, listen.
Yeah, the glass. And
yeah, between the sight glass and the red reticle is your 50.
So maybe the red
that
one
might be 50.
40.
It could. Well, we're going to readjust that later. Just right now, that's what you do for 50. So take your time. Breathe. Look at that.
I think that one might be 52.
Look at that. Look at that. A little off to the side. But that's about 40. That's probably 45, honestly. Or you were aiming a little too high, but that's about 45. Probably 45, 50.
I'll bet you $1 you miss. You hit bullseye, I'll give you $10.
You don't have 10 bucks.
I do.
Ooh, that was a little high. That's 45. That other one was 45. What the freak?
I was on the 50, bro.
Well, at least I'm centered. At least I'm centered up. I messed up, guys. It's 40. It's probably 40 yards. You know what? I'm gonna see. Hold on. I want to see if it's 40.
I mean, I was right in between the 50 and the spy glass, the glass.
Hold on. We're gonna. We're gonna find out if it's 50 right now, or 40. I thought it was 50. I was wrong. How much you want to bet it's 40? We're looking at a 40-yard liner. Don't even know it.
Oh,
40,
definitely.
40 yard.
Definitely 40.
That's a 40-yarder. So now you know that's 40 yards. We goofed up, guys. That would not have been a dead deer. That'd have been a deer to live another day. And we got one way out in the field here too. I don't know where that one goes.
There's rocks.
Watch my step. Slip and fall on my ass. He'll be carrying me out of here. Medevac. Corman! Corman! Ooh, dead center. This one's a dead ringer right here. Told ya. I shot a little higher than you, but you hit bullseye. Hold on. Yeah, you hit bullseye. I shot a little higher than you, but you hit bullseye. So. Yeah, I hit bullseye. That's good. Yeah, whatever, shut up. All right, I don't know about this one, guys. Skylar's gonna do some test hits to see where we stand, but this is definitely the longest one here. And as you can see, we can still go further back. Like this could easily be a 100-yard shot, honestly, if we go further back here. And I might do it one day, not today, because I want to make sure the range. But right here, that's got to be 60 yards right there. It's got to be 60 yards. So we could probably go back into the woods in this trail, this runoff here, clearly. You know, let's just do it. That way I can show you guys. I don't know if we're allowed to shoot back here, but oh my God, look at this. I just want to see how far back I can go clearly with no issues. No obstructions from the woods, basically. Oh my God. Yeah, like that's a long ways away. Clearly, like you can clearly shoot that without any issues right there. That's not 20, that's 30. I'm telling you, it's 30. That's a gone arrow. That arrow's done. Say wave bye-bye to the arrow. Say bye-bye arrow. It's been great. And that had a light up knock on it too. That had a light up knock. What are you doing? I told you it was 30. What'd you aim, 20?
I aimed 20.
And you aimed far to the right too, huh?
No, I aimed 20 right at the
center. I should make you go in them woods and get that arrow.
I aimed 20 right at the center, dude.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
There's no way. Then why'd you not hit the center?
That thing is like this.
It don't matter what the target looks like.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
Curve.
It doesn't.
Turn like this and let's see.
Shut up. Are you gonna do another shot at 30 now?
I'm not.
You want me to do a shot at 30?
You can do a shot at 30.
Okay, here we go.
You can lose an arrow too, I guess.
I'm not losing an arrow.
I'm gonna laugh if you lose an arrow. You're gonna shoot one like way up there. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, arrow.
That's 20.
Hey, you mother...
No cussing.
I didn't. Oh! I hate you so much. I'm gonna go rip that arrow out and throw it in the woods, I swear to God.
Dude, that was dead center, buddy. Dead center. So that's 20 yards right there. Oh my God, look at how dead center that was. Dead center, guys.
I think I see the knock.
Check that out. Dead center, yeah, 20 yards. We're seeing if we can see his, he has a green light up knock on his, so it went, I'm surprised it didn't hit the ground.
Like
right there. You don't see the knock in there? There's bricks behind there and everything. How did it not hit those bricks unless it went over them?
It couldn't have went over. It would have hit the wood.
I don't think we're gonna find that thing, buddy. That's way down in there. All right, now we're at 14. We should have brought survival supplies because we're so deep in the woods right now.
What do you think that is?
That's 25, 30, maybe 25. That's probably 20. It's probably 20, honestly. It's 20. That's not bad. Were you aiming for center?
No.
Where are you aiming for? Oh, that one? You're aiming for that one?
I was aiming a little down from the center.
Oh, okay. I don't know how many more targets we got, man. I don't even know what this goes up to.
We're going literally that way.
Why are we going down the fucking mountain?
Down there.
My God. Guys, I think we're gonna skip some targets here because we've got so many. I don't know if you guys can see it out there. Plus my battery on my GoPro is going dead and I didn't bring a spare. We have one straight ahead and we have one up on the mountain up here too. I don't know if you can see that. we're probably gonna, let's go over here and get a better look, guys. This is a long trail. I wasn't expecting this to be that long, but yeah, there's one there and there's one up on the mountain there too. So we're gonna just concentrate on doing some shooting, and we'll be right back, guys. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we come across this one here that's really far out there, probably 60 yards, 70 yards. What do you think, Sky?
I don't know.
Sky's not going to make the shot because it's definitely too far for him, but I'm going to try to make the shot because I know I can. So we're going to try. Man, you think 60 or 70? I got it at 60 right now.
I think 60. A little
Looked
high. Probably 50.
Yeah, it looked high. Let's go 50.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see the shadow of it. It's like right above the thing, so probably 50.
Right above the what?
It like looks right above the target. You can see the shadow of the on the target, on the top of the target.
Oh, okay, yeah. So let's go for 50 yards. So that's definitely a 50 yard. I thought it was 60, but
still 50 yards is far.
50 yards is far. It's half of 100. I don't know about that one.
I don't know what target you were aiming for, but
so I hit a bullseye, not the one I was aiming for though, unfortunately. So definitely 50. I was aiming for this guy here. I hit that guy there, a little high. That was my 60 shot. That was my 50 shot. So 50 yards is definitely it, Skylar.
yeah.
Definitely 50. Well, guys, we came back down the trail. We shot, there's 21 targets here is what we found. The other 21, 22, or 20, 21 are up there. And it actually comes down the trail and it brings us back down to our long range distance one. So at this point, I think we're done. I think we've done all the targets here at Mountain Fish and Game. And it was a lot of fun. What do you think?
It was a lot of fun.
We still didn't find his arrow. It's down there somewhere in the woods. But we're gonna do this a lot more often. This was a lot of fun. I'm definitely gonna dial mine in to shoot this bigger distance here because I want to shoot it further out, and that's probably 60, 70 yards right there, Sky. Maybe more, maybe 80 yards. Yeah, probably 80 yards because where you shot was 20. Yeah, it's probably 70, 80 yards out to that. And we can obviously, we're actually in the middle of the trail right now, as you can see right there. And we can actually go back here a little bit further like I was showing you before in the video and shoot even further, which is freaking awesome. That would be a hell of a shot to have a tripod down there with a camera, my GoPro, and then have one up here shooting and showing,
maybe
hitting target down there.
Maybe put something in the back so we don't lose another arrow.
Well, I'm not gonna lose an arrow. You just lose arrows. But there you go, guys. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. We did a lot of recording and had a lot of fun, but we're gonna end it. We're gonna head home. What a freaking amazing day. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous out here today, and we were able to take the opportunity to come out and shoot his bow a little bit more, continued from the last video before this that you guys seen, and he's really enjoying it. So we're gonna get ready for archery season this coming season. I think, you know, I almost called him Zach. I think we're gonna have him out, but I think what we're gonna do is eventually, this is just a good practice bow for him. We're probably gonna end up getting rid of this little mini and going with more of a bigger, an adult bow, I guess, for him, because I think he can pull back 50 pounds. But yeah, we're gonna have him practice more and more. We're gonna come here because it's just, you know, the stand's up there. We got another stand on the other side. It's beautiful out here. We can come out here any time of the day between dusk and dawn and just shoot as much as our arms can handle it, and shoot different distances. And it gets him used to shooting different distances without having a rangefinder, which I will be getting as well, just to make sure we have one, just in case he's a little, you know, confused about ranging and stuff. But yeah, it should be pretty fun. I'm really enjoying it. It's a lot of fun out here. You ready to go home, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Or do you want to shoot some more up at the top by the truck?
Top.
We're gonna go shoot some more up at the top, guys, but we're gonna end this video now. I hope you enjoyed this little family time with me and Sky. Other than that, follow me on Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Enjoy the rest of your day or weekend, guys, and subscribe, follow. We're gonna be mixing a whole bunch of different videos into this channel, so I hope you guys enjoy the range of different content that you're gonna have here, not just car stuff, but actually spending time with family and doing fun things as well. But other than that, guys, deuces.